Hi everyone. So in this Mac series, while I was looking at the questions for the people they are struggling with, I found that for the new beginners who are moving to Mac, they are struggling with these questions. So one of the questions came that how they can right click. When they right click, they cannot see this option there, how to do that, and they want to create a new folder or anything. So it's very simple. Come to settings, and then you have to come all the way down to mouse here, and then you can see here the speed you want to set of the mouse. Secondary click, you can select either you want to left click show this, or if you want to use on a right click, so you can select from there. Double click speed and scrolling speed, and then advanced here. So you have to turn this on if it's off. So yeah, so once you come here you will see, and then make sure you select that, and then you will find a solution. Same with the keyboard. When you come to the keyboard, so we have same functions here. We have speed rate, key repeat rate, and then press function key, do nothing, or you can select anything you want to change. Keyboard navigation, input source here, you can add it in which language you want to get the input, and all the ABC in lowercase or uppercase, automatic by language. And then you can replace the text as well. You can select the microphone and the language you want to set up a new keyboard if you want to, so you can select that, and it's showing the battery timing here as well. So yeah, it's give you all the details, and you can select according to your need. That's all. Thanks for watching.